Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to save pins on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. First choose any pin and here you'll find save. Click on it and here you choose board, save to board. Choose any board here and that's it, it will be saved. That's how to save pins on your account on Pinterest, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.